Cyclone Rimal, the first cyclonic storm of the year in the country, made landfall on May 26 along the coast of Bangladesh and West Bengal, bringing heavy rain and powerful gusty winds. As it moved toward the northeastern part of the country, the region faced significant challenges due to rising water levels, landslides, extensive damage to infrastructure, and loss of lives. In the state of Mizoram, 14 individuals were killed and one child was rescued after a stone quarry collapsed in Aizawal's Meltham and Lehman border. The child was promptly taken to a nearby hospital for further treatment. Many workers have feared that as rescue operations continue, and in another incident, the duty post at district jail in Aizawal's armed Wang locality collapsed due to heavy rainfall. In the state of Assam, 2 people were killed and 17 others injured in separate incidents. One person identified as Putul Gogoi died in a landslide at the NHPC's Lower Subansiri hydroelectric power project in Lakhimpur district. Heavy rainfall in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Kurung Kume district led to landslides along the Joram to Kolorang Road NAH 713, severely disrupting travel and posing significant safety concern. The state of Manipur experienced widespread flooding, traffic disruptions, and mudslides in various districts, particularly affecting Imphal East and West, Kangpokpi, and Stanapati district, though no casualties have been reported so far. The state of Tripura saw record-breaking rainfall with over 200 mm recorded in 24 hours, the highest in 67 years, prompting an orange alert as the cyclone crossed the state at a speed of around 165 km per hour. The state of Meghalaya also faced significant damage, with the cyclone claiming 1 life and injuring several others. The cyclone has caused major transportation disruptions, with over 2 dozen flights to and from various airports, including Guwahati, Agartala, Aizawal, and Imphal, being cancelled. For the state of Nagaland, the Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority (NSDMA) has issued weather updates regarding Cyclone Rimal. Overcast conditions with heavy to moderate rain are expected across all districts of Nagaland, accompanied by squally winds reaching speeds of 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour. The cyclone is likely to move northeastwards and weaken into a deep depression by the evening of May 27, 2024. There is a moderate risk of flash floods in several rivers and foothill areas of the state due to persistent rainfall. The Indian Meteorological Department and the National Disaster Management Authority have issued cyclone alerts, urging citizens to follow guidelines to prevent further loss of life and property. 3 National Disaster Response Force and the RF teams have been deployed in the northeastern region, with additional teams on standby. Chief ministers and high authorities of the region have convened emergency meetings with respective departments to tackle the ongoing situation. Cyclone Rimal has caused widespread devastation across northeastern India, necessitating urgent and coordinated efforts for rescue and relief operations.